this is 9.5. It's kind of a different lesson. We've been doing ordered pairs. It's kind of still got ordered pairs, but we're going to be a little bit more specific now. Your objective is to be able to identify a relationship between two numerical patterns. So there's going to be a pattern here for this number sequence and a pattern for this number sequence, and then a relationship between the two patterns. It's pretty easy once you kind of get the hang of it. So here's our first problem. On the first week of school, Joel purchases 2 movies and 6 songs from his favorite media website. If he purchases the same number of movies and songs each week, how does the number of songs purchased compare to the number of movies purchased from one week to the next? So we're going to compare the number of movies to the number of songs. All right, so there's a pattern here, there's a pattern here, and then there's a relationship between the two. How many movies does Joel purchase each week? 2. Go ahead and write 2 in there. And how many songs does he purchase each week? We got 6. Go ahead and put that there. And then we're just going to fill in the pattern. So it goes 2, 4, 6, 8. So put those in there. 2, 4, 6, 8. And down here we're going by 6. So 6 times 2 is 12. So 6, 12, 18, and 24. All right. Write the number of pairs that relate to the number of movies. So we're just going to take these right here and create ordered pairs out of those. All right. That's the way they look. So we go 2, 6. Then we come to 4, 12 in week 2. Okay. Week 3, 6, 18. Right, and then finally we go to 8, 24, and we write that down. 8, 24. All right, so now that we've got these ordered pairs, there's 2 ways you might want to look at them. One is side by side, and one is kind of up and down this way, which is pretty much the same thing. So for each number pair, compare the number of movies to the number of songs. Write a rule to describe this relationship. So I just take the first 2. What do you notice between 2 and 6? What do I have to do to a 2 to make it a 6? Multiply it by 3. What do I need to do to a 4 to make it a 12? Multiply it by 3. Same for 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 8 times 3 is 24. So my rule would be to multiply the number of movies by 3 to get the number of songs. So it's 3 times is great. So my rule is multiply movies by 3 to get songs. All right. So from one week to the next, the number of songs Joel purchased is 3 times as many. Next page is going to be a little bit more clear because they're just going to have a box. It's going to be great. All right. Come right back for the next one.